Well, good morning, Facebook friends. I'm News Channel 3's Todd Demers. Hopefully joining me from all around the world right now. We're in Memphis, Tennessee, taking a close look at what's going on weather-wise. Now, I know. Today, the weather really isn't that bad. We have some cloudy skies. We have some southerly winds. The temperatures are climbing through the 60s and into the 70s. But I'm pretty concerned about the weather that's going to be moving through the area tomorrow afternoon. I just want to make sure that you're aware. You know what's heading in your direction. Maybe you can change around your plans a little bit so you don't have to be outside in the midst of all of that nasty weather. It's going to be arriving in about 24 hours from now, so you certainly will have plenty of time to plan, prepare, and to get ready for what's going on. Storm Tracker 3S has been watching an awful lot of activity going on across the area. We have the cloud cover. I've seen a few sprinkles across the area. And of course, the big area in blue, that's not going to be like a tornado watch or a severe thunderstorm watch box. That's a wind advisory that officially doesn't go into effect until tomorrow morning. But it's a great opportunity to kind of get you thinking, going, oh yeah, we've got some windy conditions coming in. During the overnight hours, our winds are going to start to pick up 15, 20, maybe even 30 miles an hour. 30 miles an hour. So by daybreak tomorrow morning, the windy conditions will definitely be in play, and we're talking about gusts upwards of 50 miles an hour by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon. Here we're noticing a couple of isolated showers south and southeastern portions, or maybe eastern portions of Fayette County, heading on over towards Bolivar. I mentioned the chance of a sprinkle or two here showing up on Storm Tracker 3S. But for most of us, it's the clouds, it's the wind, it's the temperatures climbing, and it's the potential for those storms to move into the area by tomorrow afternoon. So let's take a closer look at what I'm watching as we make our way over the next 24 hours. We see the southerly winds warming us up. Now, we'll be in the upper 70s again tomorrow, but I need you to watch the clock carefully because this is going to be all about the timing of these storms trying to move into the area by tomorrow afternoon. I think we're going to make it through lunch tomorrow before the rain really starts to move in. So be thinking between about 10 and noon for eastern Arkansas with those showers developing. Now, this is the line associated with the cold front that will have the potential to be packing that punch with the gusting winds and the brief heavy rainfall moving across the area. That's why we have the wind advisory. That's why we're talking about things like the slight, enhanced, or even a moderate risk of severe weather. Now, this map and this model on the graph forecast is showing about 1:30 is when this activity is going to be crossing over the river and then making its way through West Tennessee and northern Mississippi for the early hours of the afternoon. And all morning long, I've been talking about this time frame, noon to about 6. So lunchtime through the evening rush. That's when this activity is going to be pushing across the area. That's when you will be seeing the best chance of dealing with some high winds and the heavy rain, and why I've been encouraging you to maybe find a safe place to be during that time frame so you don't have to be out and about. I don't know about you. I've driven through some of these storms before and I have not enjoyed it, not one bit. And knowing that this is heading in your direction, it might be a good idea to download the WRNG weather app in case you do have to be out and about. At least you'll have the radar right there in the palm of your hand. You'd be able to see where the heavier storms would be, and maybe you can delay your travel time a little bit or wait until after the storms have passed, because from the Severe Storms Prediction Center, this has been updated from overnight. We have the yellow, which is the slight risk, then you go to the enhanced, which is what most of the Mid-South is dealing with, and we even have that moderate risk of severe weather across much of Mississippi, and that includes all the way up into northern Mississippi. And when you start to see moderate risk, chances are good we're going to be talking about tornadoes in the area tomorrow. Some spin-up tornadoes are going to be possible. Most of this, I believe, is going to be from high winds associated with it from the severe thunderstorms that you will be noticing. So again, I want you to at least be thinking winds gusting upwards of 50 miles an hour as a possibility. And if that means you have to go out into the yard and gather some stuff up, throw it in the garage, whatever, so it doesn't get blown down the street. I believe there's going to be a major impact from this line of storms moving across the area tomorrow afternoon. Yes, we have the high winds. We could pick up a couple of inches of rain, and you know what happens when we have that much rain in a short period of time. There are areas on the roads that are not only going to be slippery, but also there's a localized flooding. You know, that ponding that goes on because the drains just can't handle all of that rain that comes down in such a short period of time. Another one of those reasons why I'm encouraging you to maybe have a backup plan so you don't have to be out in that weather. And so we do have that enhanced and even the moderate risk of severe weather. So today's weather is kind of windy and warm. Tomorrow we're talking about that threat of severe weather in the afternoon hours. That is a cold front, so you can see that back behind it on Thursday and Friday. We'll cool down a little bit. Scattered showers as we make our way into the weekend with temperatures at or even slightly below the norms for this time of year. So some important things going on here. Download the WREG weather app. Make sure you know how to use it and have it handy. It's really a lot of fun. There's so much information on it. And also be sure to watch us today on News Channel 3 at noon and then throughout the course of the afternoon, this evening, and into tomorrow as well, so that we can keep you updated on any maybe little nuances or little changes in our severe weather threat for the Mid-South. Because again, the greatest threat of severe weather for the immediate Mid-South area is going to be tomorrow, Wednesday. It'll start about midday and continue through about 6 o'clock into the evening hours. High winds, heavy rain, some isolated tornadoes, that's all going to be possible. And this is the opportunity. This is me giving you a 24-hour notice that we believe we're going to see some severe weather tomorrow afternoon, giving you the opportunity to plan, prepare, to get ready, to let your neighbors know, take care of things around the yard. And you know, I'm thinking about a lot of this. This is going to happen right about the time school's letting out. So you might be thinking, oh, how am I going to handle that? I don't have the answer to that question, but I hope that you'll be thinking about that and figuring out ways to make sure that you and your loved ones will remain safe. So I want to say thank you for stopping by here this morning as we get an update on the severe weather threat for tomorrow. If you need additional information, you can always go to our weather page, wreg.com/weather. We update that for you throughout the day as well. And again, News Channel 3 at noon. So thanks for joining us this morning. We'll have updates for you throughout the course of the day, the next 24 hours. And of course, we'll be monitoring that severe weather threat very carefully, breaking in as necessary tomorrow. So thanks for being with us here on Facebook at this hour of the morning. Have a great day, and we'll see you at noon.